Hey guys, Chrome is secretly eating lots of RAM and 4 gigabytes of your storage right now, and it never asked you. This is not a virus and this is not malware. This is Google Chrome downloading a massive AI model directly onto your computer in the background. So I asked Gemini's CLI why Chrome was taking so much storage. And look what it found. I have both Chrome and Chrome Beta installed, and each one was using almost 4 gigabytes for AI storage. It even showed the exact directory where the files were installed. So I checked manually and found this huge file called weights.bin inside the Chrome folder. And here is what is happening. Google quietly added a folder called opt-guide on device model inside Chrome. And inside it is a 4 gigabyte AI model called Gemini Nano. Chrome uses it for AI features like help me write, text summaries, and smarter autofill. But most users say Chrome never clearly asked permission before downloading it. No pop-up, no warning, nothing. But it gets worse. A lot of users tried deleting the weights.bin file manually, and then Chrome downloaded it again later. So now, let's see how to remove Chrome's AI model completely, and stop Chrome from installing it again on Windows, Linux, and Mac. First, open your Chrome browser and head over to Settings. Now here, look for something called AI Innovations. Depending on your Chrome version, you might see features like Help Me Write, AI Summaries, or other AI tools already enabled by default. Just turn all of them off for now. But interestingly, when I checked the same thing on Linux, there was no AI innovation options. Even Chrome's on-device internals page showed no active AI features on this version. But still, keep watching, because Google may enable this in future updates. Next, open a new tab and type this into the address bar. Chrome://flags. Once you are here, search for Nano. You will start seeing several experimental flags related to Gemini Nano and on-device AI features. Now simply disable all the Gemini Nano and on-device AI flags one by one. Next, open this new tab and enter this, Chrome://on-device internals, and enable internal debugging page. Just go to model status, and you will see model detail like name, version, size, and other. Now simply uninstall the model from here. This will remove the Gemini Nano AI model and free up your storage. And now, the final step to stop Chrome from downloading it again automatically. Open File Explorer, then go to local disk C. After that, open the users folder, then your PC username folder. Now go to App Data, then Local, then open Google, then Chrome folder, and then User Data. Here you should find a folder called opt-guide on device model. If you already see files inside it, just delete everything and create a new empty file in this folder. Now rename that file to the same model name, which is weights.bin. Once that is done, open terminal inside this folder and run this command. This will make the file read-only, so Chrome cannot replace it with the huge AI model again. If you are on Linux or Mac, just run these commands instead. On macOS, run this command to stop Chrome from downloading it again automatically. This command basically does is tell macOS to apply a Chrome policy that disables the local Gemini Nano AI model. And honestly, if you want the safest and cleanest option, just switch to browsers like Brave or Mozilla Firefox and completely uninstall Chrome. Before doing that, just make a backup of your bookmarks and saved passwords, then restore them into your new browser. Most people can switch in less than 10 minutes, and you probably will not even miss Chrome after that. So check your PC right now. You might already have this 4 gigabyte AI model installed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe because I post videos like this every week about AI, privacy, and hidden tech features. And let me know in the comments. Did Chrome already download this file on your PC too? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.